Imagine waking up to a world where politics and economics are in a constant state of turmoil. Welcome to Monday morning, where investors are bracing themselves for another day of drama in European and global markets. The German share price index, DAX, is about to take center stage. But the real showstopper is France, which is on the verge of appointing its fifth prime minister in just 3 years. This has plunged the Eurozone's second biggest economy into chaos, leaving investors wondering what's next. But here's where it gets interesting. Francois Bayrou is facing a confidence vote on Monday, which he is expected to lose. While much of the crisis may already be priced in, a series of debt rating reviews starting this week will be a litmus test for France and investors' appetite for the country's assets. And this is the part most people miss. France's rating was downgraded by Moody's after its previous government collapsed last year, and a repeat would be a heavier blow, pushing it to a lower rating and raising the risk of forced selling of its already pressured bonds. Last week, France's 30-year government bond yield hit a level last seen in June 2009, as investors fretted about the fiscal outlook and ongoing political quagmire. But that's not all. Japanese government bonds were muted on Monday after Japanese PM Shigeru Ishiba resigned over the weekend, paving the way for fiscal uncertainty and clouding the policy path for the Bank of Japan. The main action was seen in the yen, which dived across the board, but held near the 148 per dollar level. The soft yen helped push the Nikkei to just below the record peak touched last month. Now, traders are left wondering when the BOJ will next hike rates. And investors are worried that the next PM could be an advocate of looser fiscal and monetary policy. All that has muddled what might have been an exuberant Monday for risk assets, after the lousy US jobs report cemented expectations of a rate cut from the Federal Reserve when it meets next week. The only question left to be answered is whether it's a 25 basis point cut or a jumbo 50 basis point cut. The US inflation report on Thursday will be pivotal in that debate. So what can we expect from the markets on Monday? Key developments that could influence markets include Germany's industrial data for July. As we navigate these uncertain times, one thing is clear. The world of economics and politics is more intertwined than ever. But here's the question. Are investors prepared for the potential fallout of these political kerfuffles? And what does this mean for the future of global markets? We want to hear from you. Do you think the current political climate will have a lasting impact on the economy? Or is this just a minor blip on the radar? Let us know in the comments. One thing is for sure. The next few days will be crucial in shaping the future of global markets. And investors will be watching with bated breath. So, stay tuned for more updates, and let's dive into the world of economics and politics together.